my camera crooked? It's kind of crooked, but we're gonna fix this through Final Cut. You won't even notice the crookedness. Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and welcome to Vlogmas. I love Vlogmas. I am so sorry. I am a victim of my own creation. I love Christmas. I love the holiday season. And so I am here. I am here to deliver. Again, this Vlogmas season, we're doing 3 videos a week, which is more than we've ever done, and I am going to respect that and be consistent. I promise I will try my very best. And so today's video is more of a lifestyle gift guide. So I gave y'all skincare gift guide, I gave y'all makeup gift guide, but listen, I feel like this year I really started getting into lifestyle a whole lot more. Like before I was much more into just makeup, then I started getting into skincare, and now I'm kind of into lifestyle. Like I like to see things progress, and so I just want y'all to notice the green of the eyeshadow, the red of the burgundy sweater. I even try to put the string lights green. Is it working? I don't know. It's also kind of giving Halloween, but listen, we're gonna go with it because that's what we do. First thing on my gift guide, by the way, some of these are also gonna apply to students, but they mostly apply to like everyone. It's not only like, I will mention it if it's especially student friendly, but I'm a college student, by the way, so I know what I'm talking about. I don't think I'm like playing myself or whatnot. Okay. First thing I recommend you get someone, especially when it's more of a lifestyle choice, is a planner, whether it be digital or physical. I'm gonna take this moment to plug my own planner company. I own Bold Planners, which is a digital planner company, and I just released my 2022 planners. These are the big planners with like 400 pages, where you get templates for so many fun things. You get literally hour by hour schedules for every day if you decide to go with the daily planner. If you decide to go with the weekly planner, you will get a whole like week with all the hours of the day. I am so excited about that launch. I'm so excited to start using that planner. I'm just, I love it. I've been using my planning templates, and although I love my planning templates, I feel like when you have the numbers, you know, the dates, it's just, it helps get you more planned, okay? If not, you can also go for some physical planners. I strongly suggest getting someone this gift, especially when it's like a more thought out physical planner, because I feel like the physical planners that people get in university, I feel like they're not appropriate enough for the amount of work, for example, that you need to put in university. I feel like in your life there are so many things that are going on, and I feel like keeping track of your activities, keeping tracks of your occupations is so important. And so whether it's a physical or a digital planner, I strongly suggest you get a loved one of those, because listen girlies, if you guys are interested, don't forget to check out my brand Bold Planners. I will leave the links to my planner and every other thing mentioned in this video in the description box. So next thing I'm gonna recommend is an IKEA LED light bulb. The reason why I recommend this now, you might be like, girl, what do you mean? These light bulbs are definitely more renter friendly. A lot of people that are in college, university, I mean, you might be living in dorms, in apartments that you're renting. Rarely people actually, well, rarely, I'm lying because I live in my parents' house, but you know what I mean. Basically, you are not always living in a space where actual permanent modifications to the environment is accepted. You know what I mean? And so I know a lot of people love the LED strip lights, and yes, you can love LED strip lights, but bitch, this thing, first of all, okay, you can't see because my lighting is very strong, but like I'm gonna insert a little video of me just switching the lighting of my entire room. Hello babes, it's editing me here. Yes, this is what I look like editing. I'm gonna show you the light change. Ta-da! This is what I wanted to show you guys, because like it has a similar effect to LED lights. You can't really customize the shades, however, and there's no green. I don't think there's green. Wait, let me, yeah, there's no green. I don't know what happened to the green. Oh wait, no, this is the light I usually use. I am so confused right now. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Sorry if I'm like slow. It's night. I'm ready to go to bed, but I'm getting this video edited and done because I'm a trooper, right? Just with this little thing, and because it's just a light bulb, you can use it with any light fixture that like supports the light bulb, and it's like so much classier, quote unquote. Like I'm not one to say like, oh, you need to have everything classy and everything, but I will say that I think for renter spaces for whatever. You just need to be a little more conscious of things you put. And if you don't want to go all the way into the LED strip lights, like I got LED strip lights for both my little brothers and they love them, but they're like 13 and 10, so you know, take that with a grain of salt. Next thing I will strongly suggest is a cork board. Listen, a cork board or a whiteboard or both. I personally own both, but my whiteboard is my mood board, so technically I guess that doesn't count or whatever. I strongly suggest a cork board or a mood board because I think it's really important sometimes to have things like visually planned out. You don't necessarily have to plan out everything, but just things that you need to remember, just little things that you jot down and you don't want to like misplace. Pinning them on a cork board or just like putting a little magnet on a whiteboard, I think is just such a helpful way of not losing those tiny little things, this little bits of information here and there that you need to grab. It also helps. I love putting up like a monthly overview, especially when it's about my goals, so I can see it like every day, and I think it's really cool. I think it's really nice, and it's like, it's not an expensive gift, but God, is it a useful one, especially if you offer to install it too. That will be a perfect and complete gift, let me tell you this. This is such a like, this is much more of a student thing. Get your students a gift card for tea, for boba, for coffee. These are the little things that make a whole difference. I cannot tell you the amount of times that I go into Tim Hortons and I'm like, if someone could sponsor this coffee right now, I would feel really great. And what I mean by sponsor is get your loved ones a gift card. Get them like a, I know $50 at Tim Hortons sounds outrageous, but actually when a latte is like $4, girl, 10 lattes. This one is so specific, but it literally applies to anyone that exists ever. There is this, I don't even remember the name of the brand, but I'm gonna link it down below. It's in my like Amazon orders or something. It's basically a spray to clean like screens of electronic devices, like, because I'm not using Windex on my computer or my iPad, you know what I mean? But that spray is so like silky, and like when you buy it, it comes with like a little microfiber cloth, I think that's what it is, and then usually just clean the surfaces of your things. And I feel like especially in this COVID era where we just need things to be clean, I don't know that it's antibacterial though, so I don't want to lie to anyone and say that it is. I don't know, but it just feels like it just cleans your screens so well. And if you're someone that has like screens, listen, it's not expensive, it's like a delicacy, I could even call it that, and it's just, it's useful. You know, lifestyle things, lifestyle products to me are all about being useful, and I love them. Next thing is cases. If you have someone in your life, get them cases for everything. Not only you get them cases, let me show you. Get them like things to like hold their phone. What? Because I often hold my phone like this because I have this little sticky thing that I was able to put there. Get them a pop socket, get them an eye ring, get them anything to make it easier for them to like hold things. I love this, by the way. It's one of my favorite things that I've ever owned, and it's like, it's the cheapest stuff, but it just makes such a difference. And I've had this one for like ever since I've had the phone, I think, or like maybe a few months later, so almost like 2 years, I would say. And I have another one waiting. If this one rips, I have another one. If I get a new phone, I have another one, because I just love it so much. It's such a useful little tool, and it makes the world of a difference. And I don't say this lightly, it actually does make the world of a difference. So with that being said, I strongly recommend that you get your loved ones something like this. It's gonna make the world of a difference for them, and they're just gonna be very happy about this. So, you know, there's that. You know, maybe this is a me thing. Get your loved ones a crackling candle. This is only for the people in your life that like ambient sounds, like fireplace crackling or like little coffee jazz music. Like, I'm the kind of person that listens to like ambiance sounds when I study, when I'm working on something, unless I'm like editing a video, because I usually will like to, you know, really hear myself and hear what's going on. But if it's not about that, I just love, okay? I got mine from Marshalls. I know if you go to like Winners, Marshalls, TJ Maxx's, you know, little stores like that, you will find them, and you just have to find a scent that the person would like. Just a tip: universal, vanilla, gourmand, you know, scents, they usually do really well. And I just love, and every time it like burns, it's like, I love it. I love it. Those YouTube videos like literally keep me going through life, and I just having that candle in real life makes me feel like I have a fireplace. And let me tell y'all something, I do not have a fireplace, so you know, there's that. Maybe this is a me thing. Again, a lot of these things are things that I'm like, oh, I use that every day. Maybe it's like a me thing. If one of your loved ones is someone who works a lot in front of a computer, like most of us people are nowadays, you know, this applies to students, this applies to corporate workers, lawyers, everyone basically. If you know someone who stares at a screen a lot because of work, school, and whatnot, you need to get them some eye drops, babes. Because I kid you not, spending a day in front of a screen, that shit will make your eyes dry. So I'm just saying, maybe you want to get them 2 little things of eye drops. Now make sure the person is not like squeamish about eye drops. I don't know why you would be, but you know, people sometimes don't handle certain things very well, so it's fine. You know, just be careful about that. If you have a student in your life, pay for their semester or pay for their books. Literally each one is like $150. But like most of them we can find for free online, so pay for their semester, okay? Hi mom. This is literally a me and only me. If someone out here is watching this video and is trying to gift anyone an espresso machine, I would love an espresso machine because I love lattes. I'm just not making any lattes because there's no espresso machine at my house. If you're trying to get me that like Reveal, I think that's how you pronounce it, that $2,000 espresso machine. I can't even begin to imagine spending $2,000 on a coffee machine. Like there has to be one that's like $500 that's good. This is it, you guys. This was a really short video. I hope you guys enjoyed. These are kind of my lifestyle products that I've really been loving and things that I'm like, I really do need you and I could not live without you now that I have you. And so I think they would make a great gift for someone important in your life, for a student when it applies, and you know, just like lighthearted little things. A lot of these things are not like outrageously expensive. Some of them are definitely not cheap, but most of them are not too expensive. So I feel like it's definitely doable gifts. And I will have all the links in the description box below. They're all going to be affiliate links. So I'm telling you this is a season of giving. If you purchase through my link, you will be giving something to me. So yeah, this is it. If you guys like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate having you here. And listen, staying with us is going to bring you clear skin, great finances, and amazing lifestyle routines and choices. I'm not sure that made any sense, but only good things can come out of you subscribing to this channel. So if you want to, the button is right below. Click on it. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye. If I take her home to my granny,